try everything out. So Bunchy all said I should try Indian food, so I got a few things. Garlic naan bread. And then they had these extra spicy wings with traditional Indian seasonings. The wings. Found a new Korean corn dog place. They have a spicy one, but also Takis, Doritos, and hot Cheetos. They also have one that's smothered in milk chocolate. Let's see what they all taste like. I think it's time we test my spice limit. Habanero wing, zombie snot, wasabi, Valentine, cheddar jalapeno Frito nacho dip, ghost pepper barbecue, sriracha, flamin' hot Cheeto powder. No reaction. Let's make the world's spiciest s'more. How could something so small hurt so bad? Carolina Reaper chocolate. Chocolate bar from hell. Now let's toast the marshmallows and melt the chocolate. Chocolate cherry hot sauce. It's not that bad. Oh my god, wait 1 second. Oh, that's the gummy bear. That's the gummy bear. Satan's campfire, alright. Don't eat that s'more. Y'all, so McDonald's has spicy chicken nuggets again. So I bought 100 of them and I'm gonna see how many I can eat. Look at the warning. Old one chip challenge, the new one. Apparently this is even hotter than last year's. Let's test it out. Let's see if I can do it. No reaction. Yeah, easy. I forgot a bun. That's that's weird. Also, I went to Wingstop. They have spicy chicken sandwiches. So I got every single one that said the word spicy, and I'm gonna try them all out and see which one's my favorite. No reaction, but they're alright. I think it's time we test my spice limit. Habanero wing, zombie snot, wasabi, Valentine, cheddar jalapeno Frito nacho dip, ghost pepper barbecue, sriracha, flamin' hot Cheeto powder. No reaction. Let's test my spice limit at a taco shop. So the chef recognized me, said he was going to make me extra spicy versions of what they had on the menu. So first were these ghost pepper chamoy fruit platter things. He said it was supposed to be spicy, but I ate those down pretty easily. Everyone was looking at me like I was crazy. But these potato taquito things apparently had a lot of habanero in them. Didn't taste it. So I had these ghost pepper al pastor tacos. Still was not spicy. I'm sweating because it's like 100 degrees outside. Now this, it's like a maltilla. Oh my God, that habanero mango salsa, he said it was like one of their spiciest things, but nah, it just tasted refreshing, good, yummy. I took a sip of that. It was good. Pepper crunch test. No reaction, but my shirt's backwards. Y'all, so I went to this place called Whistling Dixie's, and they had a red chicken sandwich, which is apparently insanely hot. Let's see how spicy it is. No reaction, but I can definitely feel the heat kicking in. Woo, something else is gonna be pretty red today. What if it burns? Flaming hot Cheeto lip scrub. It looks so cool. Out of everything that could be hot Cheeto flavored, this is the last thing I would expect. I wanna see if it's actually gonna be spicy. It looks like hot Cheeto dust. So it kind of tastes like strawberry and melons, not hot Cheetos, but it looks like I ate a bag of hot Cheetos. This is gonna be the spiciest get ready with me you've ever seen. But I am kind of tired, so first off, spicy energy drink. I only have 10 minutes though to get ready, so let's do this really quickly. Theme is love, and I'm thinking red. Red's my favorite color. Pants, we're gonna be doing these like jogger, techno-y pants. Okay, so now for the shirt. I can't find the shirt. The tank that we're gonna be wearing. Basic red right here, but just you'll see what we're gonna do. Red is coming. Oh, we look good. The next two pieces are my favorite. Giant red boots. They come with like this pouch thing. I don't like it. I think it's like too, I don't know what it does. Damn. Yeah. Next, jacket. Fire. Red, again, favorite color. Ooh, it's spicy. Okay. Yup. Last thing. And then this way, I can do this. Alright, what do we think? What would you have done differently? Y'all, so I went to Jack in the Box and they have spicy tiny tacos. They're red, so I'm wondering if they're like hot Cheeto flavor. They also have a Fiesta version. Oh, it's like loaded. Look at that. It's like cheesy and stuff. I am ready to dig in. Oh yeah, cheese. Let me try the normal ones now. They're not that spicy, but I brought my own hot sauce.
Gravy or hot sauce?
Oh, they look so good. Y'all, so I'm at Buffalo Wild Wings. Apparently they have flaming hot Dorito wings. Not the wings. They have like little Dorito crumbs on them. Let's see if they're spicy. They're like crunchy and juicy. Ten out of 10, would recommend. I think it's time we test my spice limit. Poblano pepper. Hot honey. 2x spicy ramen. Satan's Rage. Fresno. Holly. Jalapeno. Spicy pickle peanut. Guacamole topping. Flamin' hot queso. Dynamite. Omega pepper. A lot of chewing, but no reaction. So KFC just came out with these Nashville chicken tenders. So I got a couple and I'm gonna see how many of these I can eat and if they're spicy. No reaction when it comes to spice, but man, are they busting. World's spiciest gummy bear. Apparently it's so hot that this was the last thing I ever ate. So I guess now y'all know my secret. The reason I've been able to eat all this spicy food for the past year is because I'm a ghost. I'm joking. But I feel like now that my spice tolerance has gone up this past year, I should be able to eat 2 of these. I was kind of new to spice when I first tried this, so I feel like it can't be that spicy now. 1 is 9 million times hotter than a jalapeno. 2 is 18 million times hotter than a jalapeno. Here we go. Yo, the devil's back! The devil's back! Woo! No reaction!